We'd like to simplify this rational expression again. As always, we'll start by factoring the numerator and factoring the denominator. The numerator is a difference of squares. What is it? It'll be, how will it factor? It'll be 2 here and 2 here to get the 4 in the first place. It's always plus, minus, and it'll be x here and x here. So 2 plus x, 2 minus x. How does the denominator factor? Well, the denominator factors as, well, we need an x here and an x here. It's a positive 2 and a negative 3, so they must be both negative signs, and it's 2 and 1. So the denominator factors x minus 1 times x minus 2. Here we have to notice that 2 minus x and x minus 2 are opposites. We can write that. We can say 2 minus x is actually the opposite of x minus 2. And we're going to substitute in the numerator for 2 minus x, we're going to write the opposite of x minus 2. So the quantity 2 plus x times the opposite of, well, I have to put that in parentheses because otherwise it might look like subtraction to me when I go back later. So I want to put that in parentheses, times the opposite of x minus 2. We've just simply written in the opposite. You can think of it also as factoring, but we've just replaced something by its equal, which is the opposite of x minus 2. The denominator is still x minus 1 times x minus 2. Well, now we have an x minus 2 in the numerator and an x minus 2 in the denominator. That simplifies out. That's 1. And we're just left with the opposite of 2 plus x over x minus 1. That might be written in several other ways, but that is the original rational expression completely simplified.